So coming up, we have the 4-H Fair, August 2nd through 5th. There will be rides, games, entertainment throughout the weekend. We have animal shows, horses, livestock, rabbits, dogs. There's also a ton of great food and great 4-H exhibits. 4-H is a youth development organization. It's for youth age 5 to 19. We have 25 clubs throughout Fairfax County, and kids can get involved in a variety of different projects through 4-H. There's a sneak peek for the rides if you want to avoid the crowds. That'll be Thursday and Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Parking is $7, but admission is absolutely free, so it's a great family event, and we encourage everyone to come and see what it's all about. To learn more about the 4-H Fair or about 4-H in general, you can visit our website, which is 4hfairfax.org. There we have all of our fair schedules, and you can also find more about joining a 4-H club there.